Alright, good day. Today we'll be talking about the Archiver app I asked us to download earlier before. So this app is simply used to compress different types of file that is used. For example, I have my Pixellab app and I don't have much fonts and I need more fonts. I use it to compress it, but first I have to download the apps. You get? So I downloaded your app already, so I have to download some fonts. Now going over to my Chrome, I'll simply search for the font. Sorry for the just search for the font, or you can search for dafont.com. The first one that pops up is the font you need. Sorry, is the app we're going to be using on website. Now I need a font. So I need this comic jungle. Let's say I like it, it's looking nice. I simply download it. It's already downloading. I like this urban shadow, I download it. You understand? So let us say that I already have a font in mind already. For example, let's just search a random font, Monsterat. Though I already have this font, or let us search for orthography. Let's see if we can see this font here. Now we can see orthography and you simply download it. You make search. For example, you might ask someone, please, what font did you use? The person will tell you the name of the font. You simply go ahead to search for it and then the fonts pop up and then you simply download it. Now it does not stop here. Do you understand? It does not stop there at all. I've downloaded it, so since I'm using my Chrome, I'll simply go over to my download list. Now whenever I go to my download list, you're going to see the things you downloaded recently. Of course, you can see Urban Shadow and Comic Jungle. These are the two fonts I downloaded. Now let's go over to my Pixellab to confirm if this font was ever here. You get? So let's just open. Right, this is my Pixellab screen. Let us search for the fonts here. Going over to my fonts. Let's check if I have that font. We say Comic Jungle. Or isn't this a sample Comic Jungle? I don't have Comic Jungle. If not, it should have popped up. The second one we have is Urban Shadow. Let's see if we have the Urban Shadow. I don't have it. What I have here is Urban Jungle. So by the time of him working on this, that is how the Zarchiver work. It will help your font to appear in your Pixellab. So let's start with Urban Shadow. I'll simply do share. And I'm sharing it to my what? Zarchiver over here. Clicking on my Zarchiver, I'll simply click on these two that are showing AA. That are the ones we need. Click on it. You can see I've clicked on it. The next step is to click on the arrow that is going upward, which I've done now. Now before that, I would like you to create a folder. It's not hard to create a folder. You can easily find it somewhere. So now I created a folder in my device storage. You can see it, and the name is called fonts, having 1000 plus fonts. You can create a folder of your choice here. You can just find it somewhere here, plus this plus icon, you create a new folder. So now I want to put this in my font. Good. I'll click on my font, and then the next thing I'll do is to click on this arrow here that is going downwards, and it should have appeared. Now let us check it on our Pixellab. The name of that particular font is Urban Shadow. This is the one we worked with, Urban Shadow. So let's see if it appeared in my Pixellab here. Let's try searching Urban Shadow. Now, if you look very well, can you see it? The Urban Shadow that was not here before is now showing. That is as easy as this work. Now let's try compressing the other font too, which is Comic Jungle. Simply go over to Zarchiver again. We do the same thing. You know the one you should use, only the ones that are showing the A. And then I just click on it, take my arrow up, go over to my device storage, go over to my folder created fonts, and then use the arrow here to export it there or to compress it. Now the name of that font is Comic Jungle. So let's search for Comic Jungle in our Pixellab. Remember we searched it before and it was not there, so let us know whether it came this time around. Comic Jungle, you can see the font Comic Jungle right here. It's as simple as that, and then you have any font of your choice imported over to your what Pixellab. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.